Hello and welcome back, my friends. I've got a quick gardening tip to share with you today, and it pertains to growing citrus trees. Predominantly orange trees are going to have this issue where you need to come out in the summertime and do a little bit of maintenance pruning. So every year about this time in July, I notice that I have some kind of odd looking branches growing on my orange trees. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so right here we've got the Washington navel orange. Tree's doing exceptionally well. There's a lot of younger fruit starting to develop all throughout the tree. But look at this right here. This branch doesn't look like the rest of the tree. It's thick. There's some little thorns growing on here. The leaves are large, lighter green. It just doesn't look like the other branches in the tree. So these are called water shoots, water sprouts. You could even call them suckers. And that's exactly what they're doing, is they're sucking up some of the water, the nutrition, and they're taking away from the health of the rest of the tree and the development of the fruit. So we want to take these out sooner than later, especially if you can get these branches when they're pencil thick. This is going to reduce the wound size of the cut on the tree that we make, and it's going to allow the tree to heal up really quick. So there's a couple different places you're going to see these branches develop. One is going to be on some of the more mature branching, and you're going to notice that these have a tendency to shoot straight up, and that's one telltale sign of what you're looking for. Or you're also going to find them towards the bottom of the tree, usually below the graft. A lot of citrus are grafted, and you can see here we've got another one. And just like the other water shoots growing off the branches, you can see it's shooting straight up. It's got these thorns, the leaves are large. It just doesn't look like anything else growing on the tree. You can see right here where I removed one, I believe last year, that was growing almost in the same area. Now because this sucker isn't too large, I can just use my secateurs. I'm just going to get close to where it connects to the main trunk and snip that off. And I'm going to kind of gently pull this downward out of the tree because I don't want those thorns to rip up any of the other branches. That one came out pretty good. And check it out. Quick and easy removal. And now we'll take this fella out here. Again, we'll just follow it down to where it's growing off of one of the main branches. We'll make a nice clean cut right there. That guy's gone. And I'll just continue to walk around the tree. I can see a couple more. There's one growing here. And there's also one right over here. So we're just going to quickly remove these. And that's all there is to it. In about a minute we remove those suckers, and now the tree can focus all of its energy on producing those wonderful tasty fruits. There really is no other type of pruning I'd recommend doing, especially on citrus during the summertime. You don't want to open up any gaps where sun can come in and create some sun scald on the branches of the trunk. And other than that, I mean, there really is not much pruning you want to do on a citrus tree. Maybe after about a decade, if you need to kind of hone it in a little bit, that would be the time. But for the most part, it's just removing those suckers. And over here, we've got yet another citrus tree. This is the Valencia, great juicing orange. You can see we've got a nice fruit set developing, even some mature fruit still holding on the tree. But once again, you can see here in July, we've got a couple of these suckers or water sprouts popping up towards the top of the tree here. This is usually what they look like when they first start growing. They've got a really shiny leaf. And again, you can tell there's an obvious distinct difference between these branches and the rest of the tree. And I'm just going to look at the base of the tree. Nope, don't see any suckers down there, so we're all done here. So once again, just a quick and easy maintenance pruning here in the summertime, going to help your trees to remain healthy and focus their energy on producing wonderful, delicious fruits for you. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Something else I'll add, this thing that I'm wearing here is called the sun hat. It's a microfiber cloth made out of polyester. And it's got venting here on the top as well. You can lift up these flaps, get a little bit more airflow. Just great sun protection for the neck, the ears, the face. I really like this hat. If you're interested, check the links below. Just a quick reminder, if you're out in the garden this summer, especially for extended periods, be sure to take care of your health, protect your skin, don't get sunburned, it's not good for you. Also, if you're interested in picking up some Plant Abundance merch, check the links below. We've got a few different tea styles. This is one of my favorites, Food Forest Gardening. We've got all the different words and terms that go along with the style of gardening: sustainable, harvest, mulch, wood chips, cover crops, polyculture, beneficial insects. It's an original design. I think it looks great. You can get it on Amazon, free Prime shipping, and you're helping to support the channel, which is always much appreciated. So with that, have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.